Past perfect continuous tense in academic writing, adding layers of detail to the past. The past perfect continuous tense adds a layer of specificity and detail to our descriptions of past events. It is used to show that an action started in the past and continued up until another point in the past. In academic writing, this tense can be particularly useful in narrating events that occurred over an extended period of time or to emphasize the duration of an action or event. For example, consider the sentence, "She had been studying English for 10 years before she moved to the United States." In this sentence, the past perfect continuous tense, "had been studying," indicates that the action of studying English started in the past and continued up until a specific point, moving to the United States. This helps convey the idea that the person's English study was ongoing and extensive. Another example could be, "The scientists had been conducting experiments on the new drug for several months before they made a breakthrough." Here, the past perfect continuous tense, "had been conducting," emphasizes the duration and continuity of the scientists' experiments on the drug. Moreover, the past perfect continuous tense can also be used to show cause and effect relationships in academic writing. For instance, by the time the data was analyzed, the researchers had been collecting samples for over a year. In this sentence, the use of "had been collecting" indicates that the action of collecting samples started before the data analysis and continued up until that point, highlighting the relationship between the two events. In conclusion, the past perfect continuous tense is a valuable tool in academic writing for adding layers of detail to descriptions of past events. By using this tense, writers can convey the duration, continuity, and cause and effect relationships of actions and events in a clear and precise manner. Mastering the use of the past perfect continuous tense can enhance the clarity and richness of your academic writing.